Okay, quiz 6. Pay attention with me. Okay. Now we're doing the homework. Page 71. ICT homework, page 71. Give me your full attention, please, grade 6. Give me your full attention here, grade 6. Okay. To start building my database grade 6, I have to start with design view. So Bismillah, let's start. Create a new Microsoft Access. Right click on your desktop, new, and then go Microsoft Access database. And I want to name it homework page 71. Of course, I have to click plug database. Before I start anything, he gave me option to start adding the file name. I want to name it ICT grade 6 homework page 71 grade 6, right? Because we are in page 71 and I want to save it in my desktop. Okay, and then I click create. Now I create my new database. I want to start with the table. First of all, I have to click create and then I go table. Before I start my table, he gave me two options. Like table design, like a plug table design. You can go to table design. When I go table design grade 6, it means in the view, I'm already in design view. Already I have to design my homework by adding the main field type grade 6. Before I start building my database, I have to be aware about the game ID, the game name, number of players, the ball size, and the ball color. These are field names. The other one, grade 6, number of players, the game name, all of these, the ball size and the ball color, this could be added in datasheet view. But the main point is the field type. Is it a number? Is it a text? Okay, so I have to care about at the game ID, game name, field number 1, game ID. Second, start with me, grade 6. Field name, type game ID, capital G for game ID. I hope you work with me, grade 6, game ID. And then data type, you will never be able to add the data type grade 6. Some of you was trying to add a text, you will get error, of course. The game ID, is it a number? Of course it's going to be like a number. So the game ID is a number. Change it to be like a number, that's it. Second of all, I have to add the game name. Type game name. Game name. Game name, is it to be data type? Is it going to be like a short text? Yes, it's short text. Because game name could be what? Basketball, water polo, handball, soccer, golf. Okay? Number of players. The third field is number of players. Write N, capital N, dot number of players. Number of players. Is it going to be like a number? Oh, sorry, I shouldn't add a dot. Do not add a dot to grade 6. Number of players. Of course, it's a number. Number of players is going to be like a number. Number could be changed. Oh, sorry. Number and only. Number of players. Okay. And the first field, ball size. Ball, capital B for ball size equals 6. Oh, sorry. My keyboard stuck. Ball size. Ball size, is it going to be like a number? I can add it like a text. Ball size also is a short text. Okay. And the next field is going to be like ball color. Ball, capital B for ball color. Okay, grade 6, ball color. Also, it's going to be like a text. Now I add my field name and my data type. Field name and data type. Okay, grade 6. Now show me number 3 if you understand. Number 3, 3 fingers. Okay, Lina, Ali, Atayib, you do it? 3 fingers. Ahmed Al-Sadiq, Talia, You understand it, grade 6? Abdullah, Zahia, Malaz, Anyone need help? Muhammad Yasir, Sarah. Those are 3 fingers. You are using filter. I can't see your face proper. Muhammad Hassan, 3 fingers. Bashir, Aline, okay. Muhammad Majid, okay, good. So grade 6, that's it. I change the find the field name and data type. Okay, now I can switch to my view. I can go to datasheet view and add my data. Simply go back to view, datasheet view. Before that, I have to save it. Sorry, I forgot to save it. Of course, I have to save it, and I'm going to name it homework page 71. Do not add a space in the table name. I name it homework page 71 because this is homework page 71. I should add the primary key. Of course, I forgot to add the primary key. So Microsoft Access will help me to create a primary key automatically. When I go back, let me switch to my design view, right click on it, design view. I can see he add the game ID. He makes the ID automatic numbers, so I can change the primary key to be over here. Just click on this icon, which is primary key. This icon equals 6. The game ID will be repeated. It's unique. Each game have a different ID. Basketball, water polo, handball, soccer, golf, American football, baseball, volleyball. Each game name have a different ID. Okay, which is will never be repeated to grade 6. That is the game ID. So let me switch again. Datasheet view. And then again, I have to save it. Always make sure you to save it. I can do right click save, by the way. Let me show you again. Let me go design view again. You can do right click save, right click save. Okay, or you can switch to datasheet view from here. So I can change the view from here, or I can do right click datasheet view. I'm in design view. I can go to datasheet view. This is save option. This is close option. Right click grid 6 here. Right click datasheet view, and now I'm able to add my data. The first one, 0 for basketball, 0. The game name, basketball. So I can type basketball. You can add this automatically, press 6. Basketball, number of players. How many number of players do we have in the basketball? 5. I can type number 5. The ball size. Ball size is what? Large. Capital L for large. Ball color is going to be brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. You can add more fields, by the way, from here. But I suggest always go back to design view. Okay, so that is the game number 1. Basketball game ID was 0. Now I have to write number 1. The other game name is water polo. Water, capital W. Water polo. You can add your data manually, press 6. Water polo. How many players do we have in water polo? 7. 7 players. Ball size. Just let me make it easy for me. Let me resize this so I can see everything. Okay. The water polo. The ball size is going to be medium. So for saving time, grade 6, yeah, I can finish adding the database automatically. Right. And so on. Finish adding your database grade 6. That's it. I'm gonna stop recording.